Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a very special 1969 AMX. A little goodie under the hood too. Got Bob here, the owner, builder. He's going to tell us a little bit about it.
Okay, it's got a Caddy 202 Escalade in it. It's an LS. It's all brand new, all redone.
Wow.
It's got a 3-speed turbo 400 in it with a shift kit.
A little stall too, right?
3500 stall converter.
Oh.
It's got a 410 or 411 rear in it. It's got everything redone, new paint, new interior, new everything, new wheels. It's all done.
When was the restoration done? Like no miles.
No miles. It's probably it's got done 4 months ago. It's been finished. That's all.
Wow. Yep. Looks pretty with sitting on the Cragars with the Radial TAs.
Yeah. All new paint. Everything's done. It's all finished. New stereo. Everything. You don't have to do anything. It's all done.
Wow. It's got modern paint on it too, right?
Yeah. Brand new paint. Everything's new. The car is completely been done outside.
Love the silver. It's a modern Ford color. It's actually the same color as your F-150.
Exactly same color.
I think it's silver spruce metallic or something.
Yes.
I'll look it up.
Yep.
I always love these body styles. You don't really see these around.
It's beautiful. It really does.
Such a sharp style, you know?
It's got the right stance.
It really does. It looks killer. You know, you see Chevelles, you see Camaros and Mustangs, but you don't see these around.
No, not at all. And that's why I wanted it, and then I would have, I wanted this one.
Of course. Beautiful. It's a California car too, right?
Yes, the car was up in California. Yeah.
Wow. All original metal.
All done. Yep.
Super straight body. And the LS probably got what, 500 horse?
It's
or
about
more?
530. In that
530.
It's got LS tree heads. It's all done.
Wow. Fuel injected.
Fuel injected, yep.
Brand new tires. I like how the bumpers are painted the same color as the car.
Yeah, it looks really cool.
Doesn't that give it a really nice, cool, sharp look? It's a resto mod. So you AMX lovers out there, don't be hating on us.
I'm glad you said that.
You got shit from a guy at a car show the other day, right?
The guy who ordered to put a pause for it.
Yeah.
And he goes and he says, you're not ordering any engine parts. I says, no, because it ain't that engine. He goes, what's it? Oh, you ruined the car. the guy is in Cocoa Beach where he gets the parts from.
Oh, God.
I says, okay, whatever. It is what it is.
You know, the LS is just so reliable, punchy, right? This car must move with the 3500 stall.
It's stupid.
It's almost too much.
It is. But you want to know something?
This car's what, 3,500 pounds?
Car?
Yeah.
2,900
pounds.
And you want to know something? The ride.
Yeah.
There's no rattle. Even with that motor, it's
perfect.
It's unreal.
Fits beautiful in there. It really does.
Yeah, it's just perfect for the car.
Turbo 400?
Yep.
Yep. 411s too. Wow. Man, gorgeous, super straight body. Even these taillights look brand new.
They are.
They are.
$1,400.
Oof.
That's another thing.
Man.
The only thing I couldn't get was these.
Door handles?
I had to do these over myself. They're not. I have another set. I was going to send out to Chrome, but I couldn't get them.
It's beautiful.
I have another set. They could have it.
Oh, here we go with the sun. Now check it out. It's got a little bit of metallic.
It makes the metallic.
It really does. Gorgeous. And sitting on the Cragars too, it gives it that.
Yeah, it looks great.
Right?
I had just black wheels when I bought it, and I didn't like them, so I got them. I got the tires with Cragars I guess it's about a month ago.
Wow.
They fit good though.
It looks great. The stance is just dead on. Man, super straight body too. Wow. Beautiful interior, gorgeous door panels. They refinished in leather? Or ultra leather?
I forget what that is. The guy told me. I don't remember.
Looks like ultra leather.
There used to be an ugly gray inside. The whole car pissed me off. Then my girlfriend goes, why did you buy it? I said, never mind.
You can't explain it.
And then when I pushed the T home, she really had a heart attack.
Oh, nice stereo too with the 6x9s.
In fact, Brian's coming over because he's going to try to figure out how to put a stereo in the street.
He's got a killer stereo and everything. Man, beautiful interior.
The computer right down by the console that runs the whole car down there.
Yeah, it's fuel injected.
Yep.
That FiTech's the best. Man, so cool. So he puts a Bluetooth sound system and everything in the cars. B&M shifter, shift kit, 3500 stall, little Sun Pro oil pressure. And that's the number, 16494. You know, all these cars were numbered.
I guess that's when they put them through the thing, right?
Yeah.
They had the number. I didn't know that.
Yeah, these are all numbered cars. Grant GT steering wheel.
That's what my girlfriend said. She says, they don't have a back seat. I said, that's great, because I don't have to put people in.
Yeah, I like it with no back seat.
That's me. I like it just me in the front, to be honest.
Everybody else can stay home, right?
Yeah, yeah. I told my girlfriend, don't get fat. You can't fit in the tea.
Oh, yeah. He just picked up this tea bucket, too. It's pretty cool.
That's a nice car, isn't it?
Right?
I
See
really
them
like
around.
the color.
Look how wide it is.
You know, the funny part is I start it once a week, and then since you're here, it starts right up. But now the guy told me, do not flood it, and I did.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's the only thing bad about it.
Look at these wires, tires.
18 inches, I measured.
Oof.
You want me to push it?
Yeah. Man, that's
You can probably
gorgeous.
Get enough of it in here, can't you? You think?
Oh, we'll push it out next.
Yeah.
You guys can see the video of this next.
This is a pretty car.
All right, now, time to open the hood.
Yeah, I forgot that. That's the whole car. That's
It is the whole
important
car.
part, man. I got news for you. Don't put, you know that most guys are going, oh, you got to be kidding me. You put that motor in there?
Oh my God. It fits perfect.
You wouldn't believe we had to take the brackets.
Yeah.
The brackets for it, and they got the bolts that they give you.
Yeah.
We had to shift one bolt and then put on our motor mounts. It was perfect and drop right in.
Right. It's nice and
We had
snug.
plenty of room for
And it
that.
even
All this
fits
stuff.
under the hood. Killer. Power steering, power brakes. You got disc up front. Drift disc in the rear?
They got drum brakes in the
Drum
front.
in the rear.
Yeah, the guy told me not to put heavy duty drums. It's better off.
Oh, yeah.
I was going to put this. He said no.
And Holley EFI Tech. I love that. Whole system. You can completely adjust it.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Super cool.
It's good. Like you know so much about him. That's what's good.
Shorty headers. Little K&N breather.
That was the only part, getting the headers in there to get them down through the thing.
Fit perfect though, Bob.
Yeah, now they do. We busted our ass on the roof to get those things.
Nice huge aluminum radiator with the Derale fans. These fans are not cheap. They are the best though. That's freaking cool, man.
I get a kick out of it because I built so many cars now. It's just
Yeah.
ridiculous. I wish I had that Challenger, a 70 Challenger.
Yeah, that's
I had a
pretty cool.
440 in that back in the day. I paid $3,800 out the door.
Oh my God. You know what they're doing now?
250, 200.
God, retarded. All right, fire it up. I want to hear this bad boy. Oh, oil cooler too.
At least I know this one's gone.
Now it's reliable. It's not gonna break down.
You can tell it's that now. It's like right back to the front.
Oh my God. That sounds so good. Man, beautiful. It's got the Flowmasters in here too. Heavy duty drums in the back. Man, this sounds so good.
I started it up because I thought they had 390s too. I see that's a 390. Can you see the sign?
Yeah, it says 390 right here. Just tell them it's a 390. They don't know anyway.
They have that too. Some guy had to try to play with me because it was actually a thing with a Mustang and it took me like that. And I laughed at it because I didn't want to get a ticket on it. It's kind of bad.
It's got this for sale too. It's beautiful. Oh my God, gorgeous car. Absolutely gorgeous. Fully restored. Yeah, so nice. I love the fabric too. Look at that. That's bitchin'. So nice. You can hear the fans kicking it too. These Derale fans are the best. They're not cheap. They're the best. All day long, right? Cool. Well, Bob, thank you for showing us your AMX. I'm so excited to see this thing, bro. Gorgeous. So nice. Guys, give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.